who's gonna pick though? So we know.
There we
John,
go.
you got it?
All right, Tom, start off.
Who you write it down?
So that's an introduction.
Vinny's gonna write it down.
Close up.
We're so disgusting.
Where's the pie?
What? We never made the pie.
All right,
Hold on, restart this.
we're 20 seconds in. No, I'm not gonna stop. I really don't care. We're gonna keep going.
Still a commission.
We're gonna keep going. Introduce it. Introduce it.
All right, 12 team draft order. Let's do this.
There's only 11. There's only 11.
Yeah.
Only 11 names in.
Okay, yeah. John, let's do this. For pick 12.
Is it?
Oh my god.
Is there crumble on top, or is it just like?
Shh. There's no
Pick
problem.
number 12. Paul.
Ah!
Alright. Number 11.
What does Fantasy Pros say to take a 12?
I think you guys ate all the pie and I got really
11.
nervous.
Grasso and Fred.
Typical.
Illusion.
10.
Oh, John, we fell out. Take the one that fell out.
Okay. Q.
Put it back in
You
there.
gotta stop recording now.
No, it's fine.
Video deleted.
For the 9 pick.
Just notice the one that fell out is the one that's mine, and I will take that burden.
9 pick. Steve J.
I have a burden right now.
8. 8th pick. Gary.
Who?
7th pick.
My arms are hurting and I need fucking two. I guess we're playing Pong.
No, it's 2.
John, stop wiping your hands on it.
Was it 7?
No, 8.
No,
Are you
7.
right? Is anyone writing these down?
Stav and Baby Dom.
Baby dad?
Now it's 6th pick. 6th pick.
Yeah, he's running the team.
Look
Sixth
at
pick.
the bug bite on John's arm.
Yeah, just.
Oh,
6th
what
pick.
the fuck? It's like
BK.
Are you showing them to the camera?
I'm showing it to 5th pick.
Unless Quinlan doesn't have the camera on.
Nibs. 4th pick. Who's left? It's me, Vinny. That's all I know.
Me.
Pat. And
You didn't think it's
Ryan.
collusion? 3 people in the room?
Yeah, what the fuck?
4th pick.
Yeah, because me and Quinlan really colluded to
Fucking jinx
to
me.
be the perfect.
With 3rd
Hey,
pick.
did your pick fall out of the hat and you get 10? So shut the fuck up.
3rd pick.
And John's picking him.
Vinny.
John's still in. Wait, John's still in this, isn't he?
Yeah.
John's still in it. Why is he,
Second
why
pick.
is he still at the booth?
You don't want first pick in this draft.
There you go.
BJ. Number 1 pick.
Brian.
Sup?
John.
Look at him.
Officially on the
sweating.
clock.
Look at his cheeks.
Number 1.
That's
Yeah,
it.
what the fuck?
Who am I
John.
gonna pick?
John's finally gonna
Find
join.
out
John
Wednesday.
cheated.
Finally gonna